Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was on Friday and then you look at where the price closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. However, that does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 62-cent mark. Why is 62 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress further. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 62 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of the range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here. I'm not saying it will, but just for example's sake, pulls back here, bounces around, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Any sort of, or you'd have a base of lows there. You'd have a big old base of lows down here. You picture each of these as stair steps. Well, hey, the overall stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And 62 cents, is what I'm defining and using to quantify the phrase make progress. What about levels of resistance? To do this, we'll look a little bit back at further information, and the key level from a resistance standpoint seems to be right up here at that 72-cent mark, which does make sense. Why do I say that? Well, you go back through the history, and you can see right there, 72 rejected the price, 72 rejected the price, and then once more, 72 has rejected it. So I'm not saying that it's impossible for the price to break through 72. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price has struggled to get up through that area. Anyway, you look at it, though, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.